Latest crypto and NFT news. FTX's Sam Bankman-Fried says Alameda research was over-collateralized.
Sam Bankman-Fried, who recently stepped down from his position as the CEO of now bankrupt FTX, claims that Alameda Research had a large position in the FTX exchange and that it was over-collateralized a year ago, GMA reports.
Seems like SBF deliberately ignored the red flags indicated in his FTX businesses that had been hanging on for almost a year. In a recent interview, the bankrupt millionaire shared that he has nothing left at all. SBF blamed the bankruptcy due to the market crash earlier this year and mismanagement. He denied any involvement with Alameda, saying he was unaware of the hedge fund using FTX's depositors' money to pay the creditors, even though the CEO Caroline Ellison said Bankman and other executives were involved in this. Visit our website for more news.